Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add and customize photo for your WordPress website. Firstly, I will guide for Gutenberg Block Editor. After that, Classic Editor. Right now, I am on my website dashboard. I can add image or photo from the media section here. You see, this is the media. So here I can add photo, or if I wish, I can directly add photo on my blog post. So I am going to my all post section. After that, I'm going to open this post. Then I want to add a photo after this headline. So I'm giving an enter. And when I'm hovering here, then you will get this plus icon. Click on add blog. Search here with image. This is the WordPress Gutenberg default image blog. Select it. After that, you will get three options. You can directly upload from here, or you can click on media library. Third option is you can insert from the URL of the image. So I will show you all of them one by one. Firstly, I want to use upload feature. If I click on upload, then it's directly taking me on my computer folder. Then I can select that photo. After that, I can click on open. Then photo will be uploaded here directly. I want to use second option. So that's the media library. Usually I always use this media library to upload image on blog post, because if I use this option, then I can add the image alter. So image alt is very important for SEO purpose. So let me show. Click on media library. You will get an option for upload files. So click upload file, click on select file and select this image, open. So your image will open here on your media library, and here you can include the alt text, which is very important for SEO purpose. What I am seeing in this image, I will write here in within 3 or 4 words. So orange slice with orange leaf. Okay, fine. If I want, I can give a caption here. So firstly, I am adding it without caption. After that, again I will add the caption. Then you can see the difference. So select. Okay. So if I want to make the image align center, then I have to click top of this option. After clicking, I have to select align center. But if you want align right or align left, wide width, full width, you can select any one. So I am going to choose the align center and save. So for this image, there has no caption after this image. So if you want to give any image credit or any caption for this image, again select, click on replace, open media library, and here you should add the caption. For example, image credit canva.com. So select, and caption always should be italic format. Now there has few customization option. I can customize this image. So after clicking this image, make sure here your blog section is selected. I'm talking about this blog. So after that, you will see your all text here, and below aspect ratio. So by default, its original aspect ratio will display here. But if you wish, you can make it square ratio like this, or standard 4:3, portrait 3:2. So which one you like, you can change. But I like the original ratio, that's fine. If I come to the next option, width and height. So if you wish, you can change this image width. For example, I want to make this image width 250. You see, it's width getting 250. And if you don't give any height here, then it will adjust automatically with your mentioned width. So if I want to make this image align left, then you see the change. If I make it align left, as right now image size is very small, like only 250 pixel. So right side there has lots of space. When I am making the image align left, that time text is coming to the right. But if I make it align right, text will go to the align left. But if I make the image align center, then no text will display left or right of that image. So by that way, you can make your text beside the image. So I am going to remove the image width. I want to display it as full width. So I removed it. Now it's displaying as a full width. If I come to the next option, that is the resolution. So if I click here, by default it's showing the full size, but there is two other options like medium size or thumbnail size. If you wish, you can make this change, but full size is perfect. So these settings option all are done. Now come to this option, style option. After clicking this style option, I will get couple of customization option. So let me show you the default option. In the default, first option is filters. So if I click on filters, this icon, if I select the second option, you see image right now in black and white mode. If I select third option, fourth, so by this way you can change the image color with the filter. And if you want to get back the previous original image, then just click on clear, all filter will remove. Come to the next, there is margin. So if you wish, you can include the margin, but I think it's not necessary. After that, come to the border. So by selecting here 2, 3 or 4, 5 something, it would be the border pixel size. I am giving 5 pixel. And if I want to change the border color, then click on this color icon and select any color. Your border will be that color, and you can give the custom color with the custom color code, and border color will be changed. After that, if you want to give radius like 25, you see image border is getting the radius. Okay, now I am removing the radius, and now come to the rounded option. So if I click on round, you see my image already getting the round. So by clicking on rounded, you can make your image rounded. Now let me show the third option. I want to insert image here from the image URL. I don't want to upload that image on my website. I only want to share the URL of that image, then it will be displayed here. So I am going to remove this image firstly. After that, giving enter and click on plus add block and select image. And now I will select this option, insert from the URL. So I am clicking here, then it's saying paste or type the URL. So I am taking another image. This image I want to display on that post. Right click of that image and you can copy image address. This one, you can copy image address, or you can open image in a new tab. Then from the browser, you can copy the image URL. Anyone you can do, both will work. So I am copying this image URL and again come to that post and I am pasting that URL here. After that, click on apply. You see this image automatically displaying here. So that's the all three method to upload image in your Gutenberg blog post. Now let me show how you can add image by using the media section. Click on media, and if you click on media, then you will see all of your uploaded image displaying here. And after coming here, you will get an option add new media file. So click here. After that, below you will get this option. Here you can click the select file, or you can drop file to upload here. Both will work. I am going to click on select file and I can select the image and click on open. This image will upload again here. And after uploading, if you click on that image, you can add alternative text, caption, or if you want to need to copy the URL, you can copy URL from here also. That would be the image URL. And if you paste that URL on your browser, then you will see this image. Now I want to guide you for the classic editor, how you can upload image for your classic editor. Now I am going to open the same post in classic editor. After that, I want to add image after this headline, high vitamin C content. So where you want to add the image, firstly click there. After that, go to the top of your toolbar and click on add media. So I'm clicking on add media. It will take me to the media library. After that, same as Gutenberg, I have to click on upload file. After that, select file and select that image, open. As like same, I can add the image alt text orange in the tree. And if I need to add the caption, I can add the caption here. After that, insert into post. You see your image already inserted into the post. Right now it's on align left. That's why in the right side there has text. When I'm clicking the image, you see above you will get the align option and it's automatically selected the align left option. If I want to make it align center, just click here, your image will be align center. If I want to make no alignment or align right, I can click on align right. And there has a pencil icon. If I click on that pencil icon, from here I can add again all text, caption, and display align settings and image size like thumbnail size, medium size, or even I can give a custom size also here. So I want to keep it full size, fine. Even if you wish, you can click on edit original. After clicking this, you can crop your image by giving the number here, or if you wish, you can image rotate by clicking here like 90-degree rotate left. You see image is going to rotate. Or if you wish, you can make it rotate 90-degree right like this, or you can flip vertical, flip horizontal. After that, you have to click on save edit and click on update. This updated image is displaying here. This is the way for edit your image and upload your image in blog post classic editor. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.